Okay, we're going to find the derivative using the quotient rule, maybe some other rules as well. But a quotient derivative is u over v, so there is a u for a numerator and a v for a denominator. And the order of the derivative is very important. It's v times u prime minus u times v prime, and that's all over v squared. So we need to identify the parts and make sure we can take the derivative of them accordingly. So, first problem is y equals the fraction, and the numerator is 3x minus 1, so that's going to be the u. And the denominator is x squared plus 12, so that's going to be the v. So let's just write that down. U equals 3x minus 1, and these are pretty simple, so I don't need as much room. U prime is 3. The v is x squared plus 12. The v prime will be 2x. So I have all the pieces I need for the quotient rule, so let's put it back together. Y prime will be, v, which was x squared plus 12, times u prime, which is 3, minus u, which is 3x minus 1 times the derivative of v, which is 2x. And all of that is over v squared. So that's x squared plus 12 squared. So just to make sure you see where everything came from, we have v, u prime, u, v prime, and v squared. So because the parts of this, the u and the v, were pretty easy to take derivative of, it didn't seem like a lot of work. Now you can clean that up quite a bit, but I'm going to stop right there and just leave the algebra to you if you want to clean it up. The other example we have here is y equals the fraction. The numerator is 2x, so that numerator will be the u. 2x will be the u, and the denominator will be the quantity x plus 1 to the 1/2. Waiting for my pen to catch up. So that will be my v. Now this might not be as quick as the other one, but u is 2x, so derivative of u prime, is 2. The v is x plus 1 to the 1/2, and technically that requires a little bit of a chain rule. Now you might get away not using the chain rule, but as far as the chain rule goes, in here, there is something other than just x. It's x plus 1. So if we use that, there is a u. U is x plus 1. So the u prime for that chain rule is just 1. So it really doesn't make a difference because the derivative of the inside part will just be 1. But the derivative here, from applying the power rule, v prime will be 1/2 times x plus 1 to the negative 1/2. So inside there is the u that I had. And technically there's a u prime outside that was 1, but why write the 1? Okay. So with that, let's put all that together. Y prime, let's make our fraction. V, which is x plus 1 to the 1/2, times u prime, which is 2, minus u, which is 2x, that's the u from my product rule, times v prime, which is 1/2, times x plus 1 to the negative 1/2. And I know all that can be cleaned up as well, but I'm just going to leave it alone. All over v squared. So v was x plus 1 to the 1/2. We'll square that. So again, that can be cleaned up because it's a square root squared. So I'm not telling you not to clean it up. I'm just telling you this is where I'm going to stop. So we've got v, u prime, u, v prime, and all over v squared. So we have ourselves a derivative using the quotient rule. Thank you.